Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. We are in the journey of an DSA preparation and interview clearance. As everybody knows, the DSA syllabus will be here. Arrays, strings, linked list, tags, queues, hash map and hashing, recursion, trees, graphs and dynamic program. These 10 will be the syllabus for the DSA. The problem solving and the strategy, it is here. First one is concepts, understanding the concept. Second one is a programming that related to the ID and language. Reading and understanding the problem is the essence, that is step number 3. Step number 4 is approach and optimization, and step number 5 will be the problem solving mindset, and step number 6 is called mapping. What we have learned, are you mapping it to the real world? So these 6 steps formula allow us to solve DSA lead code problem. Without further delay, now let us jump into the what we try to solve today. Before that, here I am not here to explain the concepts, code, programming, any other things. Here I will try to show the problem and how I digested and solve, what kind of a strategy and what kind of a plan I have used. Without further delay, now let us jump into the code. Here you can see under the top interview 150, 58 is the length of the last word. A paragraph is containing the number of words. Into that one, what is the last word and what is the length you want to return. So this is a hello world. World will be the last word and the length will be the 5. And you can see here there is a spaces, it has been there. So we try to strip before and after. Before mean L strip and after will be right strip. But if we can use the strip, unwanted spaces from the beginning and ending will be removed. And what is the length of this one is the 4. That is the answer. Now you can see this one. This is called joy boy. That is nothing but the length of this one is 6. So this, like this, we need to understand the problem. The lead code number is 58 and the length of the last word is the problem. Now let us see the constraint. The string length will be the 1 and 10 to the power of 4, and S contain only English letters including the spaces. It could be the small or in a capital, but it will include the spaces, and there will be at least one word in S. So they are giving guarantee that there is a one word. Now it is the time to see the topics. Topics is nothing but as it contains inside the string. Previous videos we have seen its arrays. Now we are moving on to the string. Strings mean all alphabetical and numerical one it will try to contain. The difference between the arrays to string, it will contain the all the characters and numerical ones. But in arrays, typically it will contain all the numerical numbers. Now it is the time to jump and see how you can write the code. Now you can see it out over here. First step what I am doing is strip, and that results I will try to store it on S. Second step, I am split, and the last word minus 1 index I am storing in the last word. You can see the split based on the spaces, it will try to split, and that will create a list. Out of the one, what is the last index that I am making as a last word, and for that one I am finding the length and returning. It is the time and execute the code and see what it has been generating. I have given the submit and see what will be the result. You can see it on the screen. 0 milliseconds beat 100 percentage. In this one, I didn't explain the code or programming or any other coding except how I have solved my strategy and my plan and how I taken this challenge and I completed. And I consider YouTube as my buddy, a partner for my DSA preparation and clearing the interview. If you like this video, for more interesting updates, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and we try to meet in the next video. Until then, bye. Take care.